Hey there, gamers. Today we have 5 packs of the Final Fantasy trading card game Opus V expansion. We'll go right in and start opening these up. The first pack we have Mystic Knight, Red Mage, Schrodinger, Mog, Assassin, Miner, Fisher, a foil arithmetician, Arya, Une, Kalia Chevelle, and a Ramza. Going into pack number 2, got Chocobo, Ninja, Order, Warrior, Dragoon, Chocobo Knight, Cockatrice, a foil red mage, a Volkner, a Buckaboo, Black Knight, and Yang. Going to pack number 3, a Thaumaturge, Bunker Beast, Black Mage, Vayne, Leviathan, Reed, Cockatrice, Foil Momodi, Hurdy, Quan, Andoria, and Odin. Pack number 4. Thaumaturge, Red Mage, Ramu, Dragoon, Arcanist, Jesper, Fladent, Foil Ondur, Sid Raines, Sarah, Claudie, and a Calbrina. Going into the final pack for Opus V here. Bunker Beast, Warrior, Moog, Canyer, Asura, Fisher, Berserker, Foil Warrior, Musuki, Arya, Une, and a Glacio Labalos. So that is Opus 5 for the Final Fantasy trading card game. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe.